Yo, what's up, everyone? All right, so on this version of Soundcheck, we're going a little bit crazy here. So hear me out. We're gonna use the Slamurai because this pedal is really incredible. I'm kind of blown away by it. I was not really expecting it to be as good as it is, especially in the context that I'm fixing to use it for. So I'm pretty sure hopefully you guys will kind of stick with me here. Hopefully it'll show how well or how versatile this pedal is, because I think a lot of people only see overdrives as something for high gain, and that's definitely not the case here. It's incredibly transparent, and I can't express that enough. So what I am hoping to showcase with it is I'm going to use an 18 watt Satellite Neutron. Now this amp is incredible. Dennis Casey from Flogging Molly and Johnny Two Bags from Social Distortion, both of those guys use those amps. There's tons of other bands that use them, but those are the main two reasons I went after a satellite amp, and I'm super ecstatic that I have it. It's an incredible sounding amp. Now, I did do a video where I talked about taking the phase inverter and replacing the 12AX7 with a 12AT7. In the video, I know I said I kept calling it a 12AU7, but I'm an idiot. It actually is a 12AT7. So in this one, I have flipped the tubes around. I have a 12AX7 in the phase inverter, have my 12AT7 and the V1 position. All right, and I noticed a better quality from the amp by doing it that way. It's a little bit clearer, a little bit chimier. It's already kind of a dark sounding amp. You only have two knobs. You have volume and then you have tone. I ride the tone about 1 o'clock. The volume is at just under the 9 o'clock position, kind of between the 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock, and that ballpark. So everything else is going to be coming from the Slamurai. And to showcase that, I figured I would use my Gibson Les Paul Tribute with the Arcane Inc. P90s. To me, this just kind of is the punk rock theme guitar. It's all there. So I've got the pedal dialed in kind of where I want it. And we're just going to kind of go from there. Crappy riffs. All right, here we go. guys, I can't even tell you how incredible this pedal makes that amp sound. It is amazing. To me, it really is amazing. So tell me what you guys think. How well do you think it sounded? It is still a little dark, but that's the nature of this particular amp. So again, it's a 12AT7 in the V1 position, a 12AX7, 12AX7 in the phase inverter, and then we have two EL84s, a Gibson Tribute Les Paul with Arcane Inc. P90s, the Satellite Neutron, and the all-pedal Slamurai. You guys, thanks for watching my bullcrap. Thanks for checking it out. We have the Mojo Tone ISO cab loaded with a Jensen Nighthawk 75 and the Warehouse Guitar Speakers DW75. And of course, like always, it's a Shure SM57 and a Lewitt MTP 440. Thanks for watching. Tell me what you think. See you in the next one.